In today's video, we'll talk about how these 3D masks were made and some things you should know on how to use these. To better illustrate how to wear these correctly, I'll be wearing this mask throughout the video. All our cloths are washed and sanitized first, air dried and ironed at a high temperature to sterilize, and then cut and sewn into masks. Our masks are made with 100% cotton. This is the cloth we use, and this is the filter inside. So in total, there are 4 layers. Because of the high quality material and time-consuming process, each mask generally takes at least 1 hour to make. Now, even though these masks have been cleaned and sanitized already, it is still important that you wash and sterilize them again when you get them before the first time of using. Now let's look at the correct way to wear these. Once you have washed and sterilized the mask, the first thing to do here is to fold it in half like this and iron it. So the reason why this is really important is that this crease here will make more of a 3D shape, so it allows more space and air when you wear it. The best thing about 3D mask is the filter cartridge inside, as you can see here. This can help to filter the air you breathe in. So the second thing you need is just the paper towel that you use in the kitchen, or the regular tissue paper. Well, hopefully you were able to get some. You can fold or cut them into the right sizes that would fit in the filter cartridge, and now they're ready for use. To tell which side is up or down, there is a small piece of wire similar to the surgical masks, and this helps to fit your nose better. Next, you should wear the mask so that your nose tip is below this line. This allows you to breathe in and out more smoothly. You should also adjust the edges so that it fits your face nicely. If you wear glasses or sunglasses, they should go on top of the masks perfectly as well. Lastly, after each use, you just need to take out and throw away the paper towel, then wash and sterilize the mask before next use. Alright, so that sums up our video today. Since we're providing free masks to senior and vulnerable individuals, we would need help with the limited resources available. Please support us on the GoFundMe campaign through the link below if you're interested. Hope everyone stays safe, and thanks for watching this video.